In the towers of Vylon, where logic meets flame, a boy with silver eyes chased an ancient name. Yrmin the technomage sought what none dared, to crack the veil though none were prepared. A faded glyph, a map from time long dead. He built a machine by what the lines had said. Manna drawn from sky and stone, it hummed alive. A pulse, a flash, the gate began to thrive. And the veil tore wide, a scream of light. Worlds turned inside out, shadows kissed the night. Yrmin stepped through, eyes bright with awe. Since that breath, no soul had seen what he saw. Some say he walks the haze where nothing's real. Others whisper of the mosaic plains he tried to feel. Fragments of his voice come through the storm, but none can trace the shape he has now worn. He dared the stars, but the stars struck